just one thing I need.
Morning, Holly. Good morning. Say good morning, everyone. Good morning, Holly. I love you. Halik, mommy. Lalap, mommy. Lalap. Lalap. Where's mommy's lalap? Where's mommy's lalap? Good morning, Zach. It's alright. Turn it on because I'm vlog. Come on.
Hi guys.
Okay, say good
Hi,
morning.
Hey,
Good morning. Halik, kuya. Dili. Halik. Good morning, kuya.
Animals.
Yeah,
Where
later.
you going?
I'm doing. Say hi. Good morning.
Papa.
Good morning. Today is Thursday.
Dad, let's go to Adelaide.
Yeah,
I'm
Daddy's
going
in-
to diaper.
Okay. Ano
Mommy,
dyan?
Dad
Yes?
is direct. Did Dad already go?
Yeah, Daddy is driving right now to Adelaide
Mommy.
to get what? To get his new buggies.
Is he at Adelaide?
Yes. Oh, here's your mug, Papa. Drink your mug.
Mommy.
Yes. You have candy today?
Where's my candy clothes?
Oh yeah, I have to look your candy. Si Kuya nakabihis na siya. Siya na nagbibihis sa sarili niya. What are you wearing, Kuya? Trackies? It's cold. You have to wear your jumper as well.
I'm in my shorts.
No, you have to
No,
wear
I
your
don't
jumper.
wear my shorts here.
Ah, yeah. So yeah, today is Thursday.
Dad don't wear that blue one.
Ano bang date ngayon, Kuya?
Mommy, 18.
No, 16.
Mommy, I
So,
don't know where my thing
You're going to
is.
Auntie Mal tonight.
Are we having a sleepover? No.
No, you're
No, we
not.
can't have sleepovers. I have to go to school.
Yeah.
Then after school, I have to go to Port MacDonald.
What are you gonna do?
Port MacDonald.
When?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow. Why?
Me too.
I'm
No,
not sure.
you're not. She's...
You're gonna play golf tomorrow with Daddy?
Dad's not coming.
What do you want for breakfast?
It eat it. No, yogurt.
Yogurt. So, okay, good morning, guys. So, you prepare. Say hi.
TJ,
Say hello.
are you going at the mountain
Yes.
play? TJ, at the mountain,
Not yet.
are you going to play?
So, yeah, ipiprepare ko lang yung breakfast nila.
Gonna play?
Ang ingay namin, no? Ganito kami pag umaga. Lalo na ito. Madaldal to si Sak. Very talkative, right, Zachary?
Let's go. Mom,
Ang lakas ng ulan, tsaka ang hangin. Mahangin yun. Kaya hindi nag-fishing yung asawa ko kasi mahangin. So, ngayon, nagdadrive siya papuntang Adelaide para kunin niya yung bago niyang laruan. Yung ano niya, yung kanyang... Uy, careful! Tingnan mo na to. Pinag-aagaw. No, Sak. Be careful.
hi, TJ.
No, she don't hit Kuya. Sak, be careful. Come on. You might drop Holly. Tingnan nyo na, pinagagawa nila si Holly. Holly, come with mommy then. Come on. She's gonna cry.
No, I'm not. Put it down now.
Put it down now, please, Sak. Put it down now so she can walk. Bilis. Leave her alone. She will walk.
Mommy.
What? Okay, guys. I-prepare ko na yung ano nila. What do you want for breakfast?
Bob.
Ha?
Bob.
Okay.
I want
What?
yogurt.
What's wrong, Papa? Good morning. Good morning.
Mom.
Ah.
I was sleeping in my bed for a little bit, then
Yeah, I know.
your bed.
You went to my room today, this morning. What time was that? I'm not sure. Lumipat siya sa kwarto ko kanina madaling araw. Tignan niyo yung weather, guys. Oh. May langaw. Sa labas po. Guys, yung weather sa labas, so ang lakas ng hangin, tsaka umuulan, malamig. So, hindi kayo makapaglakad papuntang school, so magdadrive kami. Nung Monday, I think it was Monday.
Monday and Tuesday.
Monday and Tuesday was very hot.
On Wednesday too.
Yeah, naglaro sila ng tubig sa labas kasi nga sobrang init. Tingnan nyo. Oh, And Daddy's driving to other lane. My God. Get set.
Go.
1, 2.
3.
Okay. It's raining. It's really cold today.
When I get outside, I have to put my hat on.
You what?
When I get outside, I have to put my hat on. Your hoodie. Put your hoodie on. I can see on it.
Oh yeah, see ya.
Mommy,
Yes.
stop raining.
Yeah. Okay. Go that side, Kuya.
That door's not
This is
open.
land. Okay. Wait, there's a car here. Wait, there's a car. Okay, go. Yeah. Run. You have to run. Careful.
Cold.
Hiningal ko. Linagay ko yung ano, yung bin sa labas. Lakas ng ulan.
So wet.
Ayan, wet.
Right
Kasi si
here.
Daddy nakalimutan.
So wet.
Rombos ang sisiw. Ang lamig sa labas. Ngayon, pre-prepare ko yung snacks ni Sakay for
Candy.
Candy. Kasi yung pasok niya.
Morning,
Good
guys.
morning. Kasi yung pasok niya is
It's
9:30.
still raining.
Yeah, it's
still
still rain.
cold.
Yeah, it's cold.
Ma,
Ang pasok niya kasi is 9:30. Tapos si TJ is 8:45. So, kaya 2 beses ako bumabalik sa school. Pero ngayon, pipick upin siya ni Kylie. Kasi sabi ni Kylie, para raw hindi hassle sa akin. Kasi ilalabas ko pa si Holly. Pag drop up ko kay Saksa Candy, sabi niya siya na lang daw, pipick upin niya. Which is good kasi pupunta rin naman ako sa town. Right? Okay, say, see ya!
I don't tell you to pick me up.
Yes. Okay.
Then,
Let's go, Holly!
then
Come on, Holly. Let's...
pick me up.
No. Mommy gonna...
Tell you to pick me up.
Yeah, Cal will pick you up. Come on, Kasa. Nandito sa sa Big W kasi sale yung nila, yung Revlon. 40% off from original price. So yun, dapat pupunta ako ng Coles para kunin ko yung mga bibilang ko para kay Holly, yung natin niya, milk, tsaka toilet paper. Kaso, lakas ng ulan, hindi pwede. So yun, hintay ng lipstick. Gusto ko ito. This is your mouth? Woolies. Kasi kukuha ko ng, hinahanap ko yung detergent. Kasi kailangan ko ng detergent sa sa laundry. Saan kaya? Yun ang hirap. Kasi hindi talaga ako nag-grocery dito sa sa Woolies. Hindi ko alam kung saan, anong aisle yun. Detergent nila. Tapos yung toilet paper. Ayoko kasi pumunta ng Coles kasi ang lakas ng ulan. Sana tayo, Holly. Ang hirap, Holly. Sana yun, Holly. Dito na. Malapit na tayo. Ito na. Ano to? Ano to? Sige. Wait lang. Dapat sa post tayo, Holly. Kaso ang lakas ng ulan, Holly. Ngayon, hindi ko alam kung saan yung brand na gusto ko. Yan guys, ang hirap hanap ng brand na gusto mo na hindi naman kayo usually nagsha-shopping dito. Ito yung, ito si Fab. Wait lang ha, dyan lang muna kayo. Toilet paper naman tayo. Toilet paper, Holly. Where's the toilet paper? Yeah. So ngayon naman, ang kukunin ko lang naman ay mga yung pang banyo, tapos laundry, kasi wala na kami ng supplies, ng mga supplies ng mga yun. Tapos, hanapin ko yung detergent ni Holly. Iba rin kasi yung detergent ni Holly sa damit. Right, Holly? Yes. So, ito na lang. Ito yung for Holly. Right, Holly? Hindi ko nga kung ito yun. Meron na kayo. We're done. We're done here. We're done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Kasi ito pala. Kuha ko nito. Kasi half price lang siya. It's raining.
Hey!
Hi. Daddy is almost home, Kuya.
Oh, what?
Yeah. So you're gonna see his new
Buggy.
baggie. Okay,
I might have a drive on it.
yeah, put your seatbelt now.
Mommy, can you...
Tumawag si Jan, sabi niya hintayin daw namin siya. Kaya ayan na siya from Adelaide.
My dad.
Oh, look at your dad.
Dad, can I hop out? Can I hop out so I can ride on the bus?
No, because it's raining. Ayan na yung bago niyang baggie.
My gosh, Dad is a buggy, Mom.
Are you excited, Kuya, to ride that one?
Yes. How would it, Pepsi? Mom, can I get out?
No, because it's raining. You can wait
I can-
tomorrow.
No.
Yeah.
And Dad will not let me drive it. Because I'm gonna go to school.
Yes. Let's go.
bed.
Yeah. So, ayan na siya.
Mom,
Balikan lang siya from
I'm gonna hook
Adelaide.
out now.
Umalis siya 6:30 in the morning. Tapos
I'm gonna
time
hook
check
out now.
is 3:23. Ayan.
Me, if you're really there, don't